I'm going to show you how you can easily convert Ethereum to USDT in Binance. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Now tap on Wallets at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on Spot Wallet to view all the available cryptocurrencies. Here, tap on the small circle next to it to select it, and then tap Confirm to proceed. Next, go back to the main screen of your wallet and tap on Convert. Now, in the From section, select ETH. If you don't see it right away, you can search for it by typing ETH in the search bar. Then, in the To section, select USDT. After that, tap on Preview Conversion to review the conversion details, including the current exchange rate. Finally, tap on Deposit to complete the conversion. You have now successfully converted Ethereum to USDT in Binance.